How to buy XRP on Coinbase Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy XRP on Coinbase Wallet. To buy XRP or Ripple on Coinbase Wallet, first of all you will need to open your Coinbase application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your Coinbase Wallet account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top, you will be able to see the buy button. Tap on this buy button and you will reach to this page. Here it says that buying crypto in my region is not available. If in your region it is available, you will be able to see the page where you can enter and specify the amount of XRP you would like to purchase. After entering the amount, you need to select the network to Binance Smart Chain. After that, you need to select XRP from the list of assets and then choose your payment method. Once after doing all of them, you need to tap on Continue to Payment button on that page and then you will need to verify yourself in order to continue to payment. Once doing that, you will be able to purchase XRP on Coinbase Wallet. Once the transaction is complete, you will be able to see XRP crypto on your Coinbase Wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to purchase or buy XRP on Coinbase Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.